Saramonic Air SE excels in power management through a design that prioritizes continuous workflow for the modern creator. Each transmitter offers a reliable 6-hour runtime on a single charge, which is more than sufficient for most vlogging sessions or interview marathons. The true genius lies in the charging bar, which acts as a portable power station that can replenish the microphones while on the move, effectively eliminating the low battery anxiety typical of mobile shoots. Because the system supports recording while charging, you can simply plug the bar into a power bank for indefinite operation during long-form live streams. Charging is handled via a universal USB-C port, and the magnetic docking mechanism ensures that the pins align perfectly every time without fiddling, making the transition from a dead battery to a full charge both tactile and effortless.